Hey everyone, and welcome to our video on how to pair your Sig rangefinder to AB Quantum. It's important to note that the device needs to be in the correct mode. You can reference the user manual for your device on how to adjust the modes. We're going to demonstrate how to do that in the Kilo 10K Gen 2 for you today, but do be aware that your device needs to be in either AB Elite mode or your device needs to be in BDX X mode. You will not find that mode on those two modes on one single device. You will have either or, and the device must be in that mode to work properly with the app. So with that being said, we're going to demonstrate this on the rangefinder itself. To navigate the rangefinder, you use the menu button to scroll, and you use the range button as an enter button. So some devices have these marked. Some of the older ones don't have it marked, but just be aware that that's how they operate. So in this case, we're going to make sure we're in the correct mode. We'll do that by holding the menu button. The very first option here you see is range mode. That's the one that we want. So we're going to go ahead and press the range or enter button. And you can see BDX Elite is the currently boxed selection. That's what we want. You can press range or enter to confirm that. It won't hurt anything, but please make sure that you're in BDX Elite mode to do this. Now we're going to scroll down by tapping the menu button and hit save. And then we're going to scroll down all the way to exit. Oop, I passed it. That's okay. And then we're going to hit the range button to save again. And we're now in the correct mode. Now on the AB Quantum app, I'm on the devices page. You can access it here through the navigation menu at the bottom, and you can see we already see the device here. On the devices page in the app, we're going to go ahead and tap to select the device that we want to add. It's going to say connecting and bring up a pin box. Inside the rangefinder here, you can see that there's a pin number. And I'm going to input the wrong number here just to demonstrate that it's okay if that happens. Nothing will happen to either device, but I'm doing this remotely. So let's go ahead and input the correct pin number, and you'll see that it clears out the display, and we're now connected. In the device itself, all you need to do is hit the range button like so, and now the device is ready for use, and you've backed out of the menu. So we're going to go ahead and set the rangefinder aside. We no longer need it for at least the rest of this demonstration. Now here you can see the device, and you always want to make sure, of course, that the serial number matches the device of your serial number if you see multiple devices. It's also important to note that you can only pair this to one item at a time. So if the device is failing to pair and you have paired it to a Garmin watch, which is a different mode, so it shouldn't work anyways. But if you paired it to something else or another phone or another tablet and you're struggling, please make sure that that device is only being paired to one single thing and not connected to another at the same time. Now here in AB Quantum, we have our settings button. We can open that up and you can see our device type here. You can see our device ID and our license level. Depending on the device you have, you'll either see ultralight, elite, or pro. In this case, this is an elite device, so the license level will be elite. You can also see that the device disconnected for a brief moment there. I woke it back up. The pin number does not pop up again once it's been connected. That should be a one-time deal the first time you pair it to your app. Here's another menu button. We can remove the device from this menu button if you no longer want it available here, or you can access the settings again, and you can expand to view more information if need be. That's how you pair your Sig rangefinder to the AB Quantum app. Please like and subscribe to our videos. If you have any questions, you can always reach out to us through the app. We can go here to the shoot menu. We open up the navigation bar and we tap that support button, and that will send an email to us, and we'll be happy to assist if you have any questions. Thank you, and I hope this video was helpful.